The second poem we're going to read is called Treed. I wonder what treed means. So let's read the poem and try to figure out what it's about and how it makes us feel. So I'm going to begin by reading the first stanza. Each of the poem paragraphs are called a stanza. So we have 3 stanzas in this poem. So I'm going to start by reading the first one. Treed. Goodness, sorry. It seemed to make sense at the time, and so I decided to climb to the top of the tallest tree in my backyard. At 70 feet from the ground, I tried to turn back and I found up is easy, down is very hard. So, as I read that first stanza, I see that the speaker seemed to have climbed to the top of a 70-foot tree. So I'm wondering if that's what tree means, because it says up is easy, down is hard. So I wonder if the speaker has been in the tree all day. Okay, let's keep reading. Time for stanza 2. I climbed by the shine of the sun, but now all the daylight is done. The sky above me had darkened and mooned and starred. I clung to the dark to the bark. I clung in the dark to the bark, and the truth came upon me stark. Up is easy, down is very hard. So the first thing I noticed is the phrase darkened and mooned and starred. It must be really late if it's dark and moon and starred. The second thing that I noticed about this poem is that the author repeated up is easy, down is hard, up is easy, down is hard. So that's telling me that that's a really important part of this poem to understand. I think the speaker is stuck in this tree. Let's finish it up. I guess I'll be in this tree when I turn 103. Remember to get me a present and card, but send them by bird, not by you, or else you'll be stuck up here too. Up is easy, down is very, 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 very hard. So, as we finished up that poem, I liked that poem a lot. I liked the rhyming words and I really connected with it because I laughed a couple times. So, I know that I was understanding what I was reading. But you noticed that I used a lot of our strategies from before the read. I made sure that I was stopping and rereading when I didn't understand. I made sure that I was reading at a steady pace and I was thinking while I was reading and making sure that I was understanding the entire poem. I want you to think, how would you feel if you were the speaker stuck in that tree? Okay, you're going to answer that question and a couple more. I'll see you for after the read.